one of the most difficult cleaning challenge and most frequent asked question: how to clean shower, including grout, tiles, and shower screen. So it's a lot of muscle work, and so we're gonna see first shower condition, and then we'll go from there. I hope you have seen shower condition properly. So we're gonna clean lots of mold, lots of rust on the shower floor, and lots of soap scum watermarks. So and then we're gonna use a couple of chemicals, couple of stuff. So let's have a look. This is Chloromax. This is called Bleach as well. So and then another one is Methylated spirit. So we this both chemical, we're gonna use one spray bottle, and we're gonna put half water and half methylated spirit in one bottle, and another bottle we're gonna put half Chloromax and half water. So and then we're gonna use that, and then we're gonna use another one for another one cleaning stuff is called Gumption. So this is a multi-purpose cleaner. So and then we're gonna wash whole shower with it, and then we're gonna use a sponge that is non-scratch sponge. So I'm gonna show you how to clean in the video. So and this is a squeegee. You can use any squeegee to take out the water from the shower, so that it will be easy to dry out. So and this is brush, and you can use any toothbrush or any kind of brush to clean the grout. And then we have a couple of clean racks. So yeah, these are the things we will be using for cleaning shower. So let's have a look. Hey guys, welcome back to Dkcleanings. So hope you are ready to watch my video how to clean shower. So let's have a look. This is bleach spray. We have to spray on grout or moldy area. Do not use bleach on chrome stuff. And bleach, at least leave it for 5 minutes to kill germs, and then use scrubbing brush or any toothbrush to take out mold, and then rinse it with water wherever we have put the bleach. This is a Gumption, and this is a sponge. We use this multi-purpose cream cleaner to clean screen doors, floor, tiles, taps, and shower heads. Now we need to rinse all cream cleaner, and cream is dried a little bit, so we use sponge and water to make it loose so that we can rinse all creamy stuff properly. We are now in drying process. First we need to take out excess water from tiles so that would be easy to dry, and then the second step is using squeegee in the shower screen evenly so that we don't need to use rag to dry. Only on tile area and floor we're gonna use rags to dry. Final process is cleaning outside of the screen doors, so we use clean rag and methylated spirit. Nine-minute workout, and then your shower is professionally cleaned and sanitized. So guys, hope you like my video. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe DK Cleanings. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.